Today, we are going to have a lesson in mathematics. This is CM2 Bilingual, and our topic for today is money. Money. Somebody will ask, what is money? Money is a medium of exchange. When we say a medium of exchange, it means that money is something that we use to buy commodities like bags, shoes, dresses, houses, cars. And we also use it to pay for services. Like, for example, if I'm sick and I go to the hospital, I need to pay the doctor for taking care of me. That is a service. If I go to school and the teachers teach me, my parents need to pay for the tuition. That is a service being rendered. And so we say that money is used to pay for commodities and services. For commodities and services. Today, we are not going to talk about the history of money, how money came about. No, we're going to talk about how to add money. Adding money. Adding money. Anytime you're going to school, we ask our parents, Mommy, can you give me 5,000 francs? Can you give me 1,000 francs? I want to use it to buy Fanta, Coca-Cola. I want to use it to pay for my ticket to watch a film. Now, when all these things come into fruition, what do? When you want to find out how much you have spent, that is when we say we are adding money. We are adding money. So let's look at the question on the board. Question 1. It says, Tim purchased a Batman game for $6.67. He purchased means he bought it. He bought it for how much? $6.67. And a school bag. So he did not only buy a Batman game, he bought a school bag as well. He bought a school bag as well. And how much was the school bag? The school bag was $21. $21. Now the question is this. How much did Tim spend all together? Anytime you see the word all together, know that you have to add. Immediately you see the word all together, it means add. So this is how we're going to go about answering the question. Tim purchased the Batman game. So the Batman game is equal to how many dollars? Is equal to $6. Your dollar sign, don't forget it is money, and so it is important that you write the currency. Here we are using dollars. So the dollar sign, and then $6.67. You can decide to bring the cents sign, you can decide not to. But the dollar sign is very, very important. Then the next thing is, he bought a school bag. So we write the school bag. Which is equal to, now let's go back to the question. The school bag cost us $21. It cost us $21. So we write the $21 here. Remember the place of your numbers. 21 is a 2-digit number. So your 2 here and your 1 here. Your dot and your 0, 0. Now what does the question ask us to do next? The next thing is for us to add. It says, how much did Tim spend all together. Like I said earlier, all together means add. So now we are going to add. So it is, you bring your line and then we start. When you're adding money, you add the cents first or the coins first before you come to the notes. The coins first before you come to the notes. And so you have 7 plus 0 that gives you 7. 6 plus 0 that gives you 6. You bring your decimal point. Please do not forget. You bring your decimal point. Now you get to the notes. 6 plus 1 gives you 7. 0 plus 2 gives you 2. And as usual, because it is money, we bring the currency sign. And this time it is a dollar. And so your answer is $27.67. So the answer to this question is that Tim spent $27.67. Anytime you have a question like this, always look out for the keyword. The keyword that makes you know whether you have to add or you have to subtract. That is very, very important. Once you get to know the keyword, once you're able to identify the keyword, you can just go straight ahead and do your work. And so here, the keyword for this question is all together. All together. That quickly tells us that we need to add. I'm going to go over quickly for you to see. Tim purchased a Batman game for $6.67. And here we have Batman game, $6.67. The next thing, and a school bag. And how much is a school bag? $21. So here again we write school bag, $21. Now what is this question asking us to do? It says, how much did Tim spend all together? As soon as you see all together, like I said earlier, it means you should add. And so we're going to add to find the total that he spent. The total. And so you see, it is money. Do not forget your decimal point. See how I've written it. It is in line. You add the coins, that is the cents first, before you come to the notes, that is the dollars. So let's see, 7 plus 0 gives me 7. 6 plus 0 gives me 6. Like I said, do not forget your decimal point. You bring your decimal point. Then you add 6 plus 1 gives you 7. 0 plus 2 gives you 2. It is money. And for us to be able to identify that it is money, you must bring the currency sign. And that is the dollar you find here. And so Tim spent $27.67. I am sure you have really understood this lesson. Until same time when I come your way again, it is me saying